Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off payout notifications in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings, scroll down, and under public profile settings we tap on our name. And then under notifications we have payout notifications, and by tapping on this little button we can turn this off. This means that we will not receive notifications about payouts, but if you want to turn this back on, we can just do it right here. Thereby, this way you can customize your app experience just a bit more, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.